Kaylee, are they almost here? Yes, and get dressed. Kaylee, chill. Are the dishes done? Yes, Kaylee. Oh my gosh, are the baseboards cleaned? Kaylee, we're dolls. We don't have baseboards. They're here. Get the door.
Hello.
Hi, Kaylee.
Hi? OMG, y'all are here.
That was such a long drive. I'm glad we're here.
Let's go now.
Not yet. After breakfast tomorrow.
Thank goodness we don't have to get in the car again.
Amelia,
So we're going to be going on a hike and we're going to do a...
Okay, hand me the GPS. I said GPS,
Are we there
not
yet?
map. It's 2020, not 1980.
Ella, you took a wrong turn.
Hang on. Where are the dogs?
Oh, Princess and Pancakes, we have a neighbor watching them. This tent is impossible to put together.
Agreed.
Oh, the tent? Yeah, I just finished putting it together. You do realize I'm a well-experienced camper.
Can we have s'mores yet?
After dinner.
Let me clean your face, Arlee.
Fine.
So I have the perfect boyfriend.
Is this the one from Canada?
No, Kevin is from Chicago.
And then this boy named Jonah wanted to hold my hand and he gave me this pillow.
Oh, that's nice,
And I think
Arlee.
you're possessed by
Oh, night, Lexi.
Night, Ella. Morning, guys.
Morning, Kaylee.
Kaylee, look.
I am a robot.
That's nice. Arlee, can you get dressed?
Okay.
Leave Kaylee sit on the
Is
hike.
everybody ready for the hike?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
This is gonna be fun.
Yeah. I'm tired. Hungry. Thirsty.
Look, a barn owl.
Ooh.
Ooh, a firefly.
Ooh. A bug?
We should probably follow her. I'm gonna miss you. This was fun.
I'm gonna miss you.
Me too, Arlee. I'm gonna miss her, but not those sleepless nights. Hey.